Hello everybody, I just wanted to go over today's assignment. Today you're going to be taking 3 friends out to eat at China City. Each of you orders a drink, appetizer, soup, and main dish. No one can order the same items. Record what each of you ordered and the cost in the table below. Calculate the total cost of the meal. Taxes included in the prices, so you don't need to add it on in the boxes below. So let me show you what you need to do. Okay, so you could see here that for my first friend, ordered a Coke, crab rangoon for $4.65, seafood soup for $3.45, orange shrimp for $12.95. Now I need to add it up. So I want you to add this up on paper, just like I'm doing here. This is good practice, and that's the whole purpose of this, is to get you smarter. So make sure you're using paper and pencil when you're adding this up. So I'm going to look at my hundreds column, and I have 5 plus 5 plus 5, so that's 15. I'm going to put 5 down, carry the 1. Now I'm going to add up the tens column. So I'm going to look for magnets of 10. Those are numbers that equal 10. So I got 6 and 4 is 10, 9 and 1 is another 10, so now I have 20, and 20 plus 2 more is 22. Put the 2 down, carry the 2. Now I'm going to add up my ones column. So I know 4 plus 2 is 10, plus 3 is 13, plus 1 more is 14. Put the 4 down here, carry the 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So now I have the cost of my first set of foods. Now I'm going to repeat this for all 4. I'm going to repeat it for the second friend, the third friend, and for yourself, and then add that all up for the total cost. Once you get your total cost, you're going to pay with a $100 bill. How much change would you receive? So you're going to take your total of what each person purchased, add it up, and then subtract it from 100 to see what you get for change. Or you might not have enough money, and tell me if you don't have enough money. Now this next part, if you are dining in and want to leave a 20% tip, how much would that be? That is a little trickier. So you're going to multiply by 2/10. And let me show you how to do that. So I'm going to do it just with the 24.25, but you would do it for the full amount. So if I take my 24.25 and I'm going to multiply it by 2/10. Now I'm going to multiply 2 times 5 is 10. Put the 0 down, carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 more is 5. 2 times 4 is 8. And 2 times 2 is 4. Now, this part you haven't learned yet, but you're learning it now. So if we take a look, we have the decimal points in 2 spaces here and 1 here. That means we need to move it in 1, 2, 3 times. And it's going to go right here. So it's 485. Now another simpler way to figure this out is if I just did 24, 25, and just added that twice, I get the same answer, and it's 480. Okay, so you could add it twice and then just move the decimal point over 1, and you get $4.80. Would really round it to $4.85 would be your answer. Okay, now it's your turn. Good luck. And I can't wait to see this. It makes me hungry just thinking about it. So use the link to view the menu for China City. And if you'll notice, on top will be drinks, and then appetizers and soups under that, and main dishes are on the bottom. Good luck and have fun.